Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a new option that we have added to the purchase invoice. First, go to this expense, purchase invoice, and then click add purchase invoice. Then select the supplier name. After that, you will see an option to select the cost center, which refers to the card plate number. So, select the card plate number. Once you select the cost center, you will be able to view all the invoices created for that particular card. This allows you to check and map the relevant invoice directly within the purchase invoice. We have introduced this feature to provide better reference and tracking. You can now add and view the cross-reference invoice number within this purchase invoice.